All right, we're back again. Take a look, January 17th. Some other stocks here. AQST, let's do it. Acquisitive Therapeutics, they have a 30.99 million float. Short growth is down 24%. Cash 17 million. Insiders own 7.81%. Institutions 59%. Very good. No income listed. Debt 65 million. Enterprise value 234 million. So it's undervalued. Specialty pharmaceutical company focused on identifying, developing, commercializing differentiated products for unmet medical needs. They have a product pipeline, treatment of nervous system diseases. What else do they do? They have an AQST 117, pharma partners, prescription medicine. All right, company was founded January 2004, headquartered in Martin, New Jersey. 210,000 sells, insiders, 16,000 buys. Finviz, minus 48 million. Income sales, 55 million. Short float is 29 million. January 7th, they provided therapeutics business update. There's nothing before that. What else did they say? Recovery for chemotherapy, post-operative recovery. They have AQST 108, developing APL 130277 for Parkinson's disease, and AQST 305. So they get a few things going on here. Products go to United States internationally. All right, the monthly, you can see here, where does this 9 line? So this came about July 31st, 2018. This came all the way down to just below 2. You have a channel right between 9 and it looks like 2. The weekly, let's see, no reverse split. See, in the weekly, this came all the way down to 3. November 19 went up. Tested this 9 line, couldn't hold. Then we went way below that 9 level, went to 2, just below 2. And then we bounced. We bounced all the way up back to 9 again and didn't hold. Now the daily, you can see right here in the daily, you have one big touch, 2019, 2, 3, and 4 touches, August, September, October. Then you had a big gap down. Look at this gap. And remember, gaps will be filled most of the time. I've read 75%. I sort of agree with that. I don't have proven stats, but 450, look at this, up we go. Made it to 8. That's not a bad move. Now down we go again. It's a strong pullback, but I like what I see here. I like the 5 holding. We're oversold here. Look at this, stochastics. It's a great time to buy. So on this, I want this 5 level to hold with these wicks. I don't want to start to break up now. Slowly get over 6, 650, and eventually challenge 9 again. So I like how this one's turning out. And you have a big support from 9, and then each line below. 150 is like the ultimate support in this stock. All right, so on we go. BYFC. Let's take a look. And we go to Finviz. All right, let's take a look at BYFC. Broadway Financial Corp, 12 million float. Short growth, 14%. Market cap, 58 million. They have 44 million in cash. It's pretty good. It's currently assets, 499 million. That's not bad. Insiders own 53%. It's very good. Institutions, 10%. Debt, 119 million. It's enterprise value, 134 million. So it's undervalued. And it's a bank holding company which offers personal money market, checking, certificate, deposits, credit cards, online banking, mail, gold, phone, and online bill pay. It's founded 1995 September, headquartered in Los Angeles. 115,000 buys, insiders, no sells. All right, income minus 0.10 million, 5.45 million float. Sales 18 million. January 4th, it was Broadway Financial and CF Bank Corporation announced receipt of regulatory approvals for merger. Before that, there's been no news in this. This news just died. What else does it say here? If fixed income certificates, mortgage loans, commercial real estate, including churches, businesses, construction, mortgage-backed securities. All right, so that's it on this. Let's take a look at this. Excuse me. All right, so this has been around on DC 2000, 1996. Had a split back in 03. Yeah, this went all the way to 15. Then it came crashing down with the financial crisis 2009. And then where did we go? We went to 1. The all important 1 line, everybody. 1 stock, Pennyland, 1 line. Just put it in there. Because that's support on this. You have pretty much, you went to 50, but you can see here a cluster here, and it came back again. So this is an important line. And then right here, it looks like it's this 250 line. See this 250 line? Now, this is the monthly. You can see back and forth since 2011, 2010. This has been a sideways move. Is this going to break up? They going to be like bought out or something? See this 250 line. You can see the weekly. They're going to merge, like they said back in the news. I read merge. All right, so let's go back. So June, we had the riots in America, and this might be part of too, like black-owned banks. It doesn't say there, but that was a big story. This shot 150 to 723. Look at this move, 723, and then it came all the way back inside 250, then bounced, and then we came back and forth to this two level and 150. So you have multiple lines here. You have this 250 line and a 2 line. And the low's been getting higher since June. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're over this 2 level. You want the 2 level to hold. Yeah, want that to hold. And then we want to go over 250 on the 350 plus. You want this to start climbing. You want this 250 to break and hold. That would be very strong movement if it holds. See back here, you broke it. But then look, it came back really strong. And then we tried again. It didn't work again. So you want that to hold. You want this 2 level to hold, or else here we go down. It could go down to the trend line 175. So this has potential. Doesn't show news a lot, but it's one of them. It looks like they'll spike, and you don't know when though. One of them stocks. All right, let's go to ENTX. Let's check this out. ENTX. All right, this is Intera Bio, 10.63 million float, short growth 29%, market cap 27 million, cash 7 million, 41% insiders and good, institutions 10%, current debt only 216,000. It's pretty good. Enterprise value is 15 million. Clinical stage biopharmaceutical company which focuses on development and commercialization of orally delivered large molecule therapeutics. Develops oral formulation parathyroid hormone. Company was founded June 1st, 2010. Headquartered in Jerusalem, Israel. No insiders. All right. Enter Bio issues letter to shareholders. That was January 11th. Announces FDA approval of IND application for EB613, their hormone. That was on December 10th. See, after that, what do we have here? EB612. This is in phase 2 clinical. The EB613 is phase 2. And his license agreement with Amgen. All right, so that's it. Monthly. This is straight down again from your 2018 move June. Look at this. And there's the wedge formed. Weekly. See down. 2019 we bounced. 2020 we bounced. And then look what we got here. $1. Mr. $1 line. Let's put it in, everybody. So I like this a lot in this chart. $1 line right here. See, there you go. On this move, see, it spikes the trend line. Then it kept bouncing. Nope. Bounced again. Look at that. Filled candle. Came back. Nope. We went right to 1 September. Bounced up a little bit. 150. Came back to one line. Look at this cluster. And then where we're at now. This was the move here. I guess that was the good news. Didn't hold, though. And now we're coming back here. This is floating up. See this? 13 EMA. Very bullish, like a lot of these stocks. Is this the time we break the trend line? I think we can, because this went for years down. And then look what you have here, this $1 holding in penny stock land. It's big area. So I'm not sure their pipeline, when they're going to have a next approval or something real positive, they might come out with news. If they come out with strong news, this is going way over 150. This will break. And then right at that 175 level, you see congestion right there. So looking for that. Otherwise 130. I'll look for 1 again. If this falls back, let the 1 hold. Buy at 1 if it holds again. And it's showing that, because that'll be a nice buy again. All right, ENTX. Go to BSGM. Check this out on FinViz. All right, let's see here. Biosig Technologies, 23 million float. Short growth down 7%. Market cap 148 million. They have 32 million cash. Insiders own 23%. Institutions 18%. They only have 419,000 debt, which is good. And they have enterprise value of 126 million. All right, what do they do exactly? It's a medical technology company, engages, develops proprietary biomedical signal processing platform. Electrocardiographic intracardiac signals. It's product, pure app systems, computerized system intended for acquiring, amplifying, blah, blah, blah. Source of patients undergoing electrophysiology procedures. All right. Founded by Kenneth L. Londoner, February 24th, 2009. Headquartered in West Point, Connecticut. 185,000 buys, 10,000 sells. All right, let's take a look here. Let me see here. FinViz, minus 56 million incomes. That's not good. Sales, nothing listed. 23 million in float. January 15th, they're going to present 26th Annual International AF Symposium. No news recently. What else do they list here on FinViz? Company has reached agreement with University of Minnesota to develop novel therapies, treat sympathetic nervous system diseases. All right. Nothing COVID related. I don't see that. This has been around October 31st, 2014. Reverse split in 2018. It's been in a range like 950 to 3. Could really put a line now. This 3 line is huge. Right here, this 3 line. C3, I'm going to take this line out. and you have a line right here at 12. So this is like your all-time line. See it here? Look at this. Touched in 2015, came all the way back to the 3 line. Look how many times it touched. Then we broke up, reverse split. 2019 made its way to 10, and came all the way back to 3. Look at this wash down. And then we bounced up. Let's get the daily. Dude, we bounced up in March. But we had the crash, and then look at this. March, April, it started to really ramp up. 3, this made it to 12. This 12 line right here, say it. This 12 line you touch 1, 2, 3 times, and it couldn't break, and down we go. Then it got down, bounced, chopped around for a few months, and we got down again, or a big candle down, and then we broke a little bit and down again. So this is in a huge downtrend for a while. Touch 3, and the 3's been a good spot for it. Then we filled the gap. Look at this. Gaps will be filled again. So we went up here, got to 5, pretty much filled it, and came back a little bit. New base 4. Now we're trying to get to this 550 over 6. Looks like problems right here, 556. So that's the next level. We need to break and hold. And then we want to hold 450 or else 4 and then 3 again. So each level here, watch. It's had 2 days now. It could bounce right off this 450 level. I think it's possible. Or else see this stochastic turn down. If it goes really far down and we go back underneath like this, it's just washing down then. Let me see here if there's any lines here. Looks like there's a big trend line now formed right here. Let me draw this right here. Trying to make sure it's even here. This is pretty much a trend line. See this high, high. Every time we get to this line, see it cluster, cluster, cluster. So we're down again. So this tells me we got to break this. This is a huge level. If not, down we get a 3. I'll draw this all the way down. See it here, here, and now here. So up and down, up and down. This goes way back down. 3 again. 3 would be a good buy again. Or else if we get above here, there it is. So this has potential, but it's one way or another right now. So it'll be determined in the next probably few days. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on StockTwits, Instagram Mike Frank98, TikTok Mike Frank II, Twitter Mike Frank 007, and Trade Ideas is on my YouTube page. And subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube, and hit the like button for educational videos, stock analysis, stock picks, buy sell levels, what to look for. And that's what we're doing here. So we're out for now. Peace.